How to change the number of guests on Airbnb reservation. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial for that. So without any delay, let's just start right into the video. We can start by opening the Airbnb app and log in if you're not logged in. And changing guests depends upon the host approval. In some listings have strict maximum guest limits, so price may increase if guests are added. So once we open up the Airbnb application, we can just go over and log in and look out for our trips, tap on trips in order to select the reservation that we want to modify. Just go over and find the reservation and look out for the change or cancel option. Something like this. Now once we find it, what we can do is we can just go over and look at the guest section and tap on it, tap on change. After that, here will be finding option. So we can try updating the number of guests. If you have more than one adult, you can select this plus option in order to change it. Similarly, if you have children, you can just go over and update it by tapping on plus. If you have infants, you can tap on this plus option here. Or if you want to decrease the number of guests, you can even tap on minus option like this and do it. If you have pets, you can tap on pets plus and minus and increase the number of guests that way. And just go over and tap on save. And the host must approve the new guest count. You can just go over and do so. And sometimes the host do not allow the changes after booking. You can send a message to the host directly that you would like to add one more guest to the reservation. Is that possible? And that should probably change their mind. But usually in order to do it within the app, you can follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.